An art of being your own best friend. Once you start to becoming your own best friend, your life became easier. Your life became happier. You can cross any hurdles, any difficulties, any challenges in your life once you start becoming your friend, because with your best friend you can do anything in your life, and your best friend is you, because you are the only person who will not left yourself when you are in difficulties. There are number of benefits to being your own best friend, to have an internal support rather than relying on your parents, mother, partner to be there for you when you are suffering. Never expect from others. Expectations leads to disappointment, heartbroken, relationship issues when expectation doesn't meet. It is true that to have good friends, but it is also true that to being your own best friend, because if you are being your own best friend, then you are self motivated, you are self reliant. So now the question is how to become your own best friend. So there are 5 points. By following them you can become your own best friend. First point, be love yourself. Love yourself. Never underestimate yourself. Never criticize yourself. Never demotivate yourself. The first step regarding to being your best friend is that to never criticize yourself, never do any negative thoughts regarding yourself. Start appreciating yourself. Start appreciating that what you are doing, your good qualities, your work, your ethics, and appreciating your unique life. So always appreciate yourself rather than criticize yourself. Second, imagine how you can help your friend when they are in difficult time. Let's suppose your loved one, friend, family friend, parents are in difficult situation as you are in currently facing. They are struggling, they are stuck in a situation of sadness, worriness. So how can you help them? Think over it. What the advice you will give to them? What the action you will take for them so that they will out of that difficulties? The same action you will take on yourself when you are in any kind of difficulties. So always think about that. Third point is have a need. Always pay yourself first when you get your salary, because when you pay yourself first, it means you are giving importance to yourself. Do you want a break from your work, a long hot shower, a wild night? Do you want all this? Then do it, because if you don't take care of yourself, then who will? You and only you who can take care of yourself, your mental health, your physique, your mental health, your physique, your dressing sense, anything. It's you and you, only you who can take care of that. Because if you don't do that, then nobody will do that for you. So always do what you love to do. Whatever you want to do, be on the top of the list, not on the bottom. So always pay yourself first. Fourth point, stand back from your thoughts. That is not always necessary that whatever thoughts in your mind is always positive, always good. There could be negative thoughts as well. So what you need to do is you have to step back from your negative thoughts. Standing back from these kind of thoughts is a technique by which you can self conscious yourself from any kind of bad work, bad thing happen in your life. You have to stand back from the negative thoughts which are coming in your mind. Fifth, self appraisal. When you are hurted, when any part of your body is hurting. Compassion. Compassion means give love, respect, mental stability. When you are broke, when you have something bad in your life, there is a mother whose son had stuck his head, but the mother has a compassion and strong love regarding him, and that is what his her force drive him to heal. She hold his child in his loving arm, in his smooth arm, so that, and she just say one thing, that is, it's okay, it will be all right. And that child believe on those words. You have to do the same. You have to believe on yourself. You have to believe on what are you saying to yourself. So always say positive about yourself. Okay, these are the 5 steps. By using them, you can be your own best friend. Please follow these steps. And now I am giving few tips. By saying those things in morning, you will be happy throughout the day. Always say few things to yourself in the morning. I love myself. I will win. I refuse to be judged. I always love myself. I will win one day. I will do whatever it takes. So these are the things you say yourself and see the change in you. See the different personality you will develop in a coming time. So always be your best friend, because nothing like a best friend in your life, because a friend in need is a friend indeed. Because you all know one best friend is equals to the whole library. And if your best friend is you, then that's the most exciting thing of your life, because you will not rely on others as well, not your partner, not your parents, not anyone else. You will not expect from others to appreciate you. No, if you do, then you are disappointing yourself. So always don't expect from others. If someone say good about you, accept it. And if someone even don't say anything about you, don't mind it, because there are many kind of people on this planet, but you have to always connect with those positive people, good people. Good people exist on the planet, guys. You have to just trust them. You have to find them. And please get rid of your negative friends, people who don't appreciate you, people who don't think about you. Just get rid of those friends, because those friends let you down. Those friends will never let you up in the future. So always having those friends who always encourage you, always motivates you, always appreciates you, not just by on your mouth, genuinely they appreciate you. Guys, please follow these steps and be your own best friend. Thank you.